Hi, today we're going to be cooking using Oaks and Celebes products, and which includes a variety of coconut oils, hemp oils, charcoal, coconut charcoal. And the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be grilling using this coconut charcoal. It's eco-friendly, and we're going to be doing jerk pork. So we have this pork, lots of pork here in this container. It's been marinating since last night, and I used my secret jerk sauce, Jamaican jerk sauce that I made up a batch last night. And here we go. It's been marinating. So we have some deboned inner shank, ham shank. Yep, and some big blocks of pork chops. I told the butcher not to cut it in chops, so it's just big solid blocks of pork loin. And also I love a little skin on my pork, my jerk pork. So we got a couple shanks, and here we go. So we're gonna be putting it on the grill, and in a couple hours or an hour and a half from now, we'll have some yummy jerk pork. And we're gonna be serving this jerk pork with a peach compote. So there we go. The next thing we're doing today is bami. It's made from Jamaican cassava or yuca. What we've done here, some people like it fried, pan fried, and it's delicious. We usually use the Oaks brand, the scented coconut oil with a lovely coconut flavor, but we're not doing that today. Actually, what we've done, we've used the neutral taste Oaks coconut oil to fry some snapper. We're going to be serving them later on. We're going to be plating it. We fried them earlier. I don't want to remove the saran wrap. There's a lot of bees around here, which is good for the environment, but we'll serve that later. But we're going to be doing some bamis with it. Instead of pan frying them, we've soaked them using Celebes organic coconut milk. Celebes organic coconut milk. We've poured the milk in a container. We've added another can of water to it, fill the can with water, and we've mixed it, and we've put the bami. I like to cut my bami in half. They're round. I like to cut them in half because it's easier to manage on the grill because of the size, when it's that size. And what we do when we're done cooking it, then when we're done grilling it, then we usually cut it in wedges. So I've had it inside the plastic bag. I like to put it in a plastic bag where I constantly keep turning it, and it's been soaking like maybe for about 2 hours inside the fridge. So here goes. That's what we're going to be doing next. So the snappers are fried with the neutral tasting Oaks coconut oil, and we're using the Celebes coconut milk, organic coconut milk, to soak our bami. Thanks. I'm back. So next we're going to be making spicy mango Oaks hemp oil salad dressing, and we have 2 cups of mango, ripe mango. Here we peeled it and cubed it, and here it is. We're gonna dump it in the blender. Nice juicy ripe sweet mangoes. We're gonna put it in the blender. Next we're going to add the Oaks hemp oil. Here it is. I've already poured it, 1/4 cup. Then we're going to add some lime juice, 2 lime juice. We're going to do it directly here. Oh, the bees. Oh, that's nice. get something sweet around here. So we're adding some freshly squeezed lime juice. I like lime instead of lemon for this recipe. It's tropical, and we tend to have a lot of limes in the island in Jamaica. So here we're gonna squeeze it, get that nice lime juice. Actually, these limes are actually seedless. And then we're gonna do an orange, a nice sweet orange. Add that to the mixture. Orange juice. Then there you go. I'm gonna get the seeds out. Although we're straining them, we're trying to get as much seeds out as possible and get that nice pulp going. It's and the orange. And there, we can pour all that in. Then finally, actually, we are gonna add some heat. I like to use our Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Now we only need a tiny piece, and actually not even the heat is actually in the seeds, so we're not really using the seed, maybe just one. We're using the skin to give it that flavor. Then we're also going to add a little tip of salt, tiny, and I like to use Himalayan sea salt, a small amount. I don't like to use a lot of salt. There you go, Himalayan sea salt. And then finally, I like to put a little bit of garlic. Garlic is so good for you, nice and spicy. It's really anti-aging. There you go. And then we're gonna put it all inside the blender, and we're going to blend. There. It's rich and creamy. And did you want to taste this? No, it usually tastes pretty good. I know it does. Something I make all the time. But because we've put the garlic pieces in it and the pepper, I hate to get all these lumps. So I tend to put it through the sieve. In case maybe a lime seed or an orange seed got by. So we're gonna strain it. Here we go. Pass it through the sieve. And oh, the other reason why I like to strain it, it depends on the type of mango you're using. I mean, when we're in Jamaica, you have like the Bombay mango that is not very hairy, or we call it stringy mango. So which means it's extremely fibrous, and we don't want to feel all that taste all that when we're having our salad. So that's why I like to sieve it, pass it through the sieve and get all the fiber and all the little particles out, any, whatever. So we're gonna strain this, and then after we're done, we're gonna put it inside the salad dressing bottle. We don't have all day here to then we're going to, so I'm gonna rest this here. Yeah, this is a messy job, but oh, it's so good when we're done. So we're gonna pour this inside this. We're using the funnel. Nice, rich and creamy, delicious. 1 second. And because of the, now this is ready, we're gonna put this in the fridge. This is spicy mango oaks and oil salad dressing. We're gonna use it in our salad later on.